today I'm gonna go thrifting. I'm going to Europe next month. I'm so excited. So we're gonna go try and find some things for that. When you go thrifting though, you need to have an open mind with the things that you find. I think I'm also gonna stop by and get a matcha. I went to Tierra Mia yesterday and they gave me a free drink. They gave me an horchata latte, and I usually get the matcha, but I really liked the horchata latte, so I think I might order that this time. But yeah, enough yapping and let's get going. This is so cute, but it's $35. It's cute, but I don't think it's worth $35. I don't know. Let me see. I didn't even realize that the clasp was broken, so I'm gonna have to leave this behind. Down here. Cute too, but it's $20. I don't think it's worth $20. This is $50. This is too much. Guys, I just saw this lady take a Chanel bag. I'm pissed. I'm really trying my best right now to record, even though it's so busy. Am I just seeing things, or is this kind of cute? I just don't like the sleeves, and it's a large, so I'm gonna leave that for someone else. I'm so scared right now. It's so busy, and everyone keeps looking at me like I'm a psychopath. But it's a good thing I brought my microphone. That way they can't really hear me. This is cute. Maybe I'll try this on. This would be a cute little cover-up. Let's see what other ones I have. I found this really cute top from Anthropologie, but it's $18. That is just insane, but it's really cute. Thank God it's not my size though, so I have to put it back. I found these really cute vintage Adidas shorts. I feel like this would look cute with plain baby tee or a tank top, and it's $5.99. I don't know yet because it does look pretty small, so I have to try them on. I found this little top, but I think I'm gonna leave it because I don't really like when shirts have collars. I feel like it doesn't suit me. These shorts are super cute. They have like little stripes, and I think they're in my size. Oh wait, it's 0. That's definitely not my size. I'm sad now. I really liked those. I found this top from Aritzia because it says TNA right here in the tag. But I have so many gray shirts, so I'm just gonna leave this one behind for someone else, but it's so cute and really good quality. I found this Princess Polly top, but it's $15, so I feel like I need to try it on to see if I want it or not, but it's really cute. These are really cute and I like the color, and I believe they're on sale, so I'm gonna get this. I'm kind of getting overstimulated. I'm in the jean section, but I hate trying to find jeans because they never fit me, or they always fit me awkwardly. I didn't bring leggings to try them on over, so this is what my cart is looking like. I found this little Miu Miu sweater. Obviously it's not real. Don't know if the lettering is throwing me off or not. These are the same exact jeans that I am wearing. For the thrift store, it's kind of pricey, but it is cheaper than what I got it for. The thing that sucks is that it's a 00. I can never find a really cute skirt. Let's see if we have any luck with that. I can't tell if these flats are cute or ugly, and I also found these really cute sandals, but they're kind of bad quality, so I don't know if I'm going to take them. Nike shoes that I got. They're only $10. I'm for sure gonna get these. Not sure if I should get these because they're $25. If they're on sale, then I'll get them. But if not, then I'll just leave these. I don't know if they're ugly or cute. I don't know, guys. We'll see about these. I'm really overstimulated right now because there's just so many people. So I'm just gonna go through my cart and see what I want and what I don't want. So I'm back home now. I'm gonna give you guys a little haul of everything that I got at the thrift store. I don't think I'm gonna do a try on because I'm trying to get this video up as soon as possible and I have to wash the clothes and stuff. I don't want to try on the clothes without washing them, so I'm quickly gonna give you guys a little haul. Spent $80. I was gonna show everything that I got while I was at the thrift, but I was getting so overstimulated. I had to go to work, and that's why I'm doing this video like pretty late. It's 10 p.m. This brown cardigan, it's from Addicted and it's a size small. This was $10, which I was really contemplating on purchasing it for $10. I felt like it was kind of pricey for the thrift store. I just don't have a cardigan like this, and I know it's going to be hard for me to come across one again that I really liked, so I got this. I got this Brandy Melville long sleeve. I have a few long sleeve. Right now is the best time to look at long sleeve sweaters and all that because people are not looking at them, so there is some gems. It was $7.99. I like how it has a low v-neck. I think with a little lace bra underneath or something like that, it would be really cute. I was very indecisive about these flats, but you know what? I just got them. I feel like my boyfriend would probably think these are really ugly, but that's how you know you're wearing something cute. I really like that they're pink. Guys, this with the ballet flats would look really cute. Look like they've never been worn. Okay, but like, look. Aren't they just like so cute? I would never think I would wear something like this, but I'm really trying to get out of my comfort zone. Found this really cute Coach wristlet. Surprisingly, it was a really good price. This is a little legacy wristlet. I don't know if there's ink on it or something. Doesn't look black, but yeah, it's really cute. It has a little hang tag. I found this really cute cardigan and it's just black. I surprisingly don't have a black cardigan. Coming off really, really bright red on camera. Some vintage Adidas shorts. Look at the tag. Again, I feel like they're looking a bit brighter on camera. These are from the brand RVCA and they're a size 27. These were $8, which again is kind of pricey, but I don't have a pair of shorts like that. And I really like them. I'm hoping they fit and look good. Just a cute, basic. You can't go wrong with this type of style. And this is the brand. I don't know if you guys could see that. And then the price was $5. Okay, I got the Miu Miu long sleeve. I just don't care about that stuff. I tried to look up what the original sweater looks like. The letters are clearly very off. It's a cute sweater overall. This one was $7.99. Last but definitely not least, this has to be my favorite thing that I thrifted the whole entire trip. Black Nikes. I don't know the name of them. I'm gonna have to Google image them. I just love that they're just an all black. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I really tried my best to record at the thrift store today. I'm gonna go take my makeup off, get ready for bed. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.